them.
While meeting at Save More in Kigumba, Nyandongo district, hundreds of cattle keepers who are facing eviction from northern Uganda asked President Museveni to intervene in the matter by doing verification before eviction.
My grandfathers and so on there. You can come and verify that.
Margaret Machunda, a mother and cattle keeper, says they are not leaving Acoli land, claiming they have nowhere to go. Pofia Katusime, another cattle keeper settling in Acoli, says they went to Acoli legally, but they are now being chased from land they bought legally. Nyango Agatha says she went for greener pasture, and upon return she bought the land in Acoli.
We are sure requesting ntweshengereza ngwaba mwe tukazomunoza ni Uganda tugira hacheyo twashira hacheyo twareba ngo we have no alternative minus doing businesses tukumanya twazomunoza ni Uganda twagura amataka baga tuguza abacuruzi ntukushaba ntweshengereza ngo before otaka tubinjire ukore kibanza you investigate.
Katumba Livingstone from Buganda Luero says they left Buganda to Acoli after buying the land. He asks the president to investigate the matter, saying that Acoli is in Uganda and everyone has a right to stay where he wants.
It's the
only land I have. If you chase me with over 300 calves, where will I put them?
Alex Mwesije, the leader of the affected cattle keepers, says they are Ugandans and not Balaalo.
A section of leaders and analysts in Acoli sub-region, however, insists the executive order on herdsmen should be enforced as agreed. Their position comes after the herdsmen demanded that verification be carried out to establish the illegal herders in the region before the eviction is enforced.
These people are playing with a narrative to win a sympathy that they are the victim, and yet they are not the victim. People are free in this country to settle anywhere they can. But in the settling pattern, do you, with what you want to go and do in that area, match what the people there do? You cannot bring animals in an area where there are people who are farmers, crop farmers. It doesn't work that way. That means there's bound to be conflict, because the animals will want to share. They can be grazed on people's crops.
Give back the community land back to them. Whoever gave land to the Balaalo should stand firm and see a way of giving back land money to the people they got money from.
How did these Balaalos come? I think we will need to blame a few of our people. These people did not just come from anywhere and found free land. They were invited by a few individuals.